everyone, happy Friday. Yesterday we learned how to say the first sound in a word, and today we're going to learn how to say the last sound in a word. So we'll try a couple together and then I'll give you a few to do on your own. The first word is job. What is the last sound in the word job? B is the last sound in job. What is the last sound in head? Head. D is the last sound in head. Let's try another word. Life. Life. Is the last sound in life. Bug. What is the last sound in bug? G is the last sound in bug. All right, now that we've tried a few together, I'm going to give you some words and you're going to practice saying the last sound, okay? The first word is yes. Yes. Rat. Rat. Give. Give. Buzz. Buzz. One more word. Look. What is the last sound in look? Good. K is the last sound in look. Very good. If you're still a little confused, try rewatching this video and really listen for the last sound in each word and practice saying it out loud. If you're ready to move on, you can go ahead and do the worksheet below. Thank you. Message me if you have any questions. Have a great weekend.